birthday yun birthday yun ng mom ko. So, ayan, kailangan ko sana ng tabang ninyo. Pero very light lang naman na tabang to surprise her. Do you have any idea?
So we're going to...
So, kasi yung mama ko kasi, broski, loves milk tea. Bigay natin to sa mom ko, but yun pa lang. Of course, cake and other stuff. I don't know, may mga idea ba kayo
Saan
para
ba mahilig
ma-surprise?
si mom mo?
Yeah, that's the
Pero
first.
kapal-pal,
That's the-
paulit-ulit ako, like milk tea, of course.
No!
Bukod sa milk tea.
Yeah, there's another hapot pa.
How about sa food?
Gagi pa rin nag-urula, sorry.
Like angko,
Tissue, bro, tissue.
Oo.
like what we call it, the yung kanin na may coconut milk.
Puto bombong.
No.
Gagi pare, totoo bang mga Oragon kayo? Ibos pare.
Ibos!
Gagi.
Sorry.
Hibos! Oh, ibos
Broski,
nga.
thank you for reminding me. Yeah, favorite ni Mama yung ibos. Pwede ba nating pagawa yun ng cake?
Yes.
Yes, ibos.
Ibos